Today I am going to show you how to add text to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can open your Adobe Premiere Pro software. Mine is opening. As it opens, you can use this opportunity to subscribe to Lulua TV Tech and the Lulua TV. So here we click on a new project. Let's open a new project, and I'll leave mine untitled. You can rename it the way you want. I already have an untitled file, so I will just replace it. I will click on yes so that I can replace it. Then we'll wait for the interface. So these are the interfaces. You can pick any video. So I'm just using a random video from the desktop. Let me open this wider so that you can see it well. The interface where we're going to write text. So you just click on this text tool or type tool, if I may say. It's called a type tool. You click on it. You first highlight the video. You can highlight the video. Then you click on the type tool. Then you go to the video thumbnail and click on it. My software is freezing. As you can see, it is not responding. This is a heavy software, so if your computer is not really strong enough, sometimes it can disturb like this. And I also have other softwares open, that's why it is quite slow. So there the text box has appeared. Now you can write anything you want, as you can see. So this is how you can write text on your video, just by clicking on the text type tool. Then you go to your video thumbnail, then you click on it. It will generate the text box. Then when you come to the effects control, here you can be able to do a lot of things with your text. You can increase the scale, you can reduce it, and you can move it anywhere you want on your video. Any side you feel is okay for you. You can use these position things, and then when you open this text effects, you can be able to change the fonts. You can change the fonts the way you want. So you can really do a lot of things here. You can even change the color of the font. You can highlight. If you want to change the font, you first highlight the text, then you choose the font. As you can see, it will change to any font of your choice. And then either put it bold, thin. You can change the color of the text. So in this effect panel, you can really do a lot of things with your text. You can customize it the way you want. So yeah, this is how you can write text in your video using Adobe Premiere Pro. So please do subscribe to Lulua TV Tech for such videos, and if you have something that you want us to create a video about, you can put it in the comment section, and make sure you always share and subscribe. Tell others to subscribe as well. Thank you for watching.